Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It's bright and it's fairly quiet out here. My next door neighbours have been having an extension and for the last 3 days, pneumatic drill for 6 hours a day, and it's been a nightmare. And a few days before that I was ill with a terrible migraine which lasted for 4 days, so got a bit of a headache now, but I think it's just because of all the noise and everything like that. But now I've got some peace and quiet where I can actually do a video and you can hear me. So the other day, Marion, that's my daughter, I'll put a link to her YouTube channel in the description box. We popped into the range and they've got quite a lot of their autumn and Halloween decorations and bits and bobs. You'll see that I think she's uploaded it. She's shown some of the autumn products, or things that we've purchased, a couple of China pumpkins and things like that. So she's done a video on that, and I'll link that. And I treated myself to a diamond painting. There, and that's the back of it. So I haven't opened it. I just liked it. It just spoke to me, which I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. We don't really have that many Halloween-y or autumnal diamond paintings, or even decorations. I think I've got an autumnal wreath kit that I've had for a few years. I don't think I've done it, so hopefully I'll get that done. I'm actually itching to start this, and I really wanted to do a video so that I could get started on it, but with all the pneumatic drill noise going on, I didn't want to subject you all to that. It was bad enough that I was subjected to it. The usual tray, wax and pen. Doesn't look like there's any. Oh, that's good. There's the actual diamond painting itself. Oh, I can't wait to get started. I might actually just, instead of doing what I was going to do, I think I might just sit. And it comes with a frame. I like that. It's going to be nice inside that. And then it comes with instructions and all the shiny crystals. So let's have a look. Sorry about the rustling. Little, you can see most of them are the backs, so they're goldy ones. excuse me. I think I'm okay now. That took me by surprise. That second one. Those ones. Nice colour. That'll be for the that's for the bits on his hat. Yeah, those little bits on his hat. Some clear ones. Yeah. And lots of black. They're a sort of yellowy, goldy colour. That colour. Some different black ones. Then we have these ones. Yeah, I think they were clear as well. Those ones. I think they're a pale blue, those ones. Again, I'm not quite sure. It all seems to be the backs that you can that are showing. That's sort of a pale lilac. And then there's that one, which is a peachy. You can't really see. Yeah. So yes, that is the autumnal, or Halloween I should say, diamond painting. And I think I might just sit and do it. Right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.